again, thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. This time I have a Bernina 1230. This machine, the customer is complaining, is not making zigzag. Now, I will check first. One of the first things that I look into these machines, electronic one, when they come in, is that if the machine is actually making the zigzag and it's not picking up the thread, easy fix, no problem. That I could fix for sure. Now, if the customer is complaining that it's not making a zigzag because the actually needle is not moving, it's a big problem. All the 1230, 1530, all these machines, there's no circuit board. And usually 90% of the time, when the circuit board is damaged, the machine doesn't do zigzag. Or sometimes what I have seen many times is the actually a stepping motor on this machine that completely frozen. You have to be a very, very expert to open up this motor and to put it back together. If you don't do it right, you have no machine. So I'm gonna open it up, check it out and see what's going on. I will make you some video to see what it is. Hopefully, I'm hoping that the motor is actually moving the needle. If it is moving the needle, I'll definitely get it fixed. Let me come in, show you and see what's going on. Here I have another one that just came in. This is a Bernina 1230. Now the customer complained that the machine is not making zigzag. You could see that I could go all the way open and the needle is moving left to right, which is a good sign. If this is moving, that's no problem. I will get it fixed no matter what. Some of these machines, unfortunately, when they come in, they actually, this is not blinking. For some reason, it shows like that on the phone, but this is solid. But you see here, it's been completely solid. I don't know why it shows on the phone that it's blinking, but it's not blinking. You know, when this machine comes in all the time, these 1230 machines, that the zigzag is not working, I can see right now that the actually width of the zigzag is a little shorter. It's 99% of the time what we got, it's a frozen stepping motor. Remember, Bernina has motors to move the needles, a motor for the bobby winder, a main drive motor, and you also have what is called a zigzag motor. So there's 4 different motors in one of these Bernina, all of them. That's why they're great. Right now that stepping motor is not frozen. That this is usually what happens. Let me see on the bar tag. Reversing is also fine. Everything seems to be fine. So this machine probably is just a timing issue. Maybe the timing is not correct. Remember, you don't play with the needle bar on this machine. So I'm going to open it up and see what's going on. You know, it's something that I'm sure I could get it. You know, this Bernina machine, the only problem with it is when the actually board is not responding. But right now, if I select this one, it's working fine. So that's a very good sign. This is something that I could definitely get it done fast, easy. I'm going to open it up and check it out, and I will show you later. Here's the machine. This is the Bernina 1230 that came in completely broken. As you can see now, listen to that nice quiet stitching on it. Very, very nice. Look at that stitch, top and bottom, perfect tension, everything is good. Any stitch that I select, the machine is working perfectly fine. I didn't went, to the actually stitching style, how to set up the stitch, because I already showed you before. You guys know how to do that already. So, I have a few other videos on showing exactly how everything works. But the machine is perfect now. Everything is good. Also, this machine was very loud, and then what happening was actually this machine here, and believe it or not, they actually set up on this machine. You could adjust the hook so it doesn't clack so hard. So I adjust that, and everything is perfectly working fine now. Very nice machine. Look at this, nice and quiet. Everything is good. Here, this machine, this is the 1230 machine that I've been working on. This machine can mean that the zigzag wasn't working, and I said before in the video that I made before, if the problem would have been the electronic issue, that the motor wasn't doing the zigzagging. Well, 2 things, could have been that the motor was frozen, which was not the case on this one. I'm glad about that. It was a timing issue. Now I just finished it. You saw how nice the stitches are working. All the stitches are working fine. All the zigzags are working fine. Everything is good. The top stitch is good. The tension is good. Everything is good. So another happy customer. Thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York.